Hey guys, so going upstairs to 25 Duval unit number 2. Here's where the bedrooms are. As we walk upstairs, you walk into the bathroom, has a vent, has a window. Again guys, all utilities are included here. Gas, electricity, all of them. Here's the first bedroom, really nice size. Great closet space as well. Then we move into the master bedroom, which is huge. Tons of natural light, massive closet space. Really big room. Then we walk into the third bedroom, which is also really good size. It's vacant currently, so it's tough to get an idea of how big it is. But all the rooms will fit kings, no problem. Great closet space.